mom is marvelous. We've been through a lot together.
My mom is outstanding and she's one of a kind.
My mom, she's a teacher in so many ways.
My mom is hardworking. Sometimes she does it for a fault and we begin to tell her, hey, relax, mom, what's wrong?
Extraordinary, my best prayer partner and worship partner.
My mother is reliable. She's very, very trustworthy. She's somebody you can depend on at any time, at every moment.
I think growing up, it's just amazing how much she put herself out. And not just for me, I see how my mom not just take care of myself, but our entire surrounding, our community. There's no child that hasn't taken injection from my mother. She's always choking someone. One child is always running away from my mother on the street.
She prays a lot. When you are feeling sick, my mom still will tell you, go and take anointing oil. I was like, what inform me any kind of anointing oil? When you're having stomach pain, anointing oil.
She taught me, she made me understand a lot of things that I need to know. That's why I actually call her a teacher. She made me a king, which I am today. I do a lot of things. Instead of her to spank me or hit me, she calls me, sits me down and teach me on how to do the right thing.
She's a disciplinarian and my mom can beat. If you do anything, no matter how small it is, she will beat you. She has different codes for different actions that you do. Number one, if you are getting proud, you're beginning to feel yes, you are a big boy, she will tell you that, see, no matter how the okra tree is tall, the owner will still bend it and pick it up.
Growing up, I had the worst temper you could think of as a teenager. I was always getting into fights. People see me today and they're like, oh, you're really relaxed, you're really calm. And a lot of that really goes to my mom. Because every time I would get into trouble, she was, and she is, still very supportive and very educative. She never really resorted to violence. She was never the violent type, but she was very, very calm. She's a fantastic home person. She vibes with everyone. Like, she could literally be the life of the party when she walks in, dancing and, you know, trying to learn slangs like, you know, short boy and stuff like that.
And she's the best mother, a prayer warrior, somebody that you can trust, somebody that you can rely on at every time.
And there's one thing that is very noticeable about her. She never loses hope, no matter what. She never loses hope.
I can't think about 1,000 experiences where we've had to laugh over the weirdest thing. Just recently, I think I was telling her how whenever I miss her, I wear my watch upside down. My mom she's used to wearing the face of the watch at the back of her palm so she can come up to it like this. Anytime I just miss her, I just turn my watch upside down so that I know my mom is somewhere around.
I'm so lucky to have a mom like you. Words can describe
how much you mean to me. Bolakumi Oluwatoyin Onobanjo.
Felicia Olu Adewuyi.
Adebimpe Oluyemisi.
Rosemary Silence.
Patricia Ngozi Elohim.
Mercy Okeria, I love you so much.
I'll keep making you proud.
I love you from the bottom of my heart.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. That's enough.